I just finished spraying some spray paint on the Mustang. I gotta wait for it to dry, and it just so happens that the truck tech guys are out of the studio today. They're actually out on the road doing what's called a driveway rescue. It's something new we're doing. Since they're out, I figured, heck, I'll just play a prank on them. Well, who leaves their office open when they go out of town anyway? I wonder if I can get some inspiration in here. Maybe I should put my picture on his background on his computer. Silly string the office, maybe? I got it. Hey, buddy.
Hey.
Any sticky notes?
Yeah, man. Talk to it. Check it out.
I need a few, so.
Email you here at whipsuperchargers.com.
Hey, now that I got everything I need, it's time to get in here and get busy.
Hey, big man, you look like you've been a little busy. Were they about to expire or something?
Yeah, needed your help, but
Yeah,
you didn't show up till the end like you normally do. But hey, I got something for you to do. You can put the final touch on. Here you go.
It's icing on the cake. Heck yeah.
Leave the lights on so they see it.
I was surprised. So I know they will be.
All right, let's go.
Let me grab this door.
Watch your step.
I wonder if they're gonna notice.
Wait, don't get them caught in the door. Oh yeah, nothing to see here. Now we wait.
Oh my God.
What happened? We got sticky noted.
That's only a couple of sticky notes. Man, that must have took somebody all day. Like, how did it take all day? Oh, there it is. I see GoPros and stickers. Holy cow. That's only like one pass. LOL. Alright, what's the message? They just gotta need anything anywhere. I hope you're gonna get I know it.
Oh my gosh. How much time did you guys have?
I've seen Chris on some. Holy. Hey man. Welcome. Look at this. All right. Well, there's a note on the front of that door.
There it is.
Go check it out. Yeah.
Holy
I've got an idea. We'll have to put our face together.
I gotta break the bad news to Cheryl. Hey, Cheryl?
Hey,
Can you order some sticky notes, please?
we've got like 2 cases back there.
Not anymore, we don't.
What did we do with 2 cases?
Gotta go. Thank you.